Your Honor, that's the state's case for probable cause.
Garner, any proof on behalf of the defense?
No proof, Your Honor.
Any argument, General?
Very briefly, Your Honor. Frankly, Your Honor, the state was going to let the video speak for itself, but since the question regarding facts that might constitute premeditation has been raised, the state has one theory it will proceed on, Your Honor. And what the state will lay out the video shows is after shooting Deputy McCowan and Deputy Eggers 5 times, as Deputy McCowan is lying prone, disabled on the ground, and Deputy Eggers is fleeing for safety, the defendant opens the door of his car, sticks his gun at a helpless man on the ground, and pulls the trigger. The state will rely on those facts for premeditation. And the state will say that based on that, probable cause has been made. I made a tally as I was watching this video, and I counted 37 times they either asked lawfully or told lawfully the defendant to exit the vehicle. I believe General Jenkins counted 45. It doesn't matter what the number is. If one of those requests is complied with, Your Honor, it's just one of those times the defendant complies with the request or order to step out of that vehicle. We're not here on a first-degree murder. We're not here on attempted first-degree murder. We're here on felon possession of marijuana, or felon in possession of a firearm and maybe a marijuana charge. It was his decisions to refuse those requests 37, 45 times, whatever it is, that led to us being here today, Your Honor. And you do not point a gun at 2 individuals and pull the trigger 6 times unless you intend to kill them. You do not point a gun at a man lying helpless on the ground and pull the trigger unless you intend to kill him. So respectfully, based on the video and the facts before the court, the state would ask this case be bound over to the grand jury.
Garner.
Yes, court, please. I think the state clearly made out cases in counts 2 and 3, and we have no objection to them being bound over. On count 1, as Mr. Elrod has already had colloquy with the court about, we question the state's premeditation theory. Clearly, there's second-degree murder. Clearly, it was killing. It was out with any justification. There's no any doubt about that. The question is, did this man plan it ahead of time? We suggest, court seen the videos, they're the best evidence. Court seen the videos, we suggest there is no premeditation. It happened at the spur of the moment. He did it. We suggest it should be a second-degree murder case and ask it be bound over on that charge.
General.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Based upon the proof before the court finds that there's probable cause to believe that the offense of first-degree murder, attempted first-degree murder, and felon in possession of weapons committed by the defendant, Kenneth Wayne Dehart, and it was committed here in Blount County. Accordingly, charges will be bound over to the grand jury for its determination of probable cause. Go ahead and remove the defendant, please. General, I'm going to give you back the original exhibits, but you're going to make sure.
I will make sure they get a copy right now, Your Honor.
Do you have the sheet? She'll have the sheet in a moment, and let them talk with him.
That's fine. I can take that sheet back there.
I mean, take him out, let him talk.
People are signing up there, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.